Hello children, how are you all? Today we shall learn about alphabet. What is an alphabet? An alphabet is a letter that represents a sound. In English, we have 26 alphabet. So let's learn about these alphabet. A apple. B balloon. C cat. D dog. E elephant. F fish. G goat. H horse. I ice cream. J jar. K key. L leg. M mango. N nest. O orange. P pen. Q queen. R rose. S snake. T tiger. U umbrella. V volcano. W watch. X Xmas tree. Y yam. Z zebra. So children, we have learned the sounds of 26 alphabet in English. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Bye bye. See you again. Thank you.